snowy mountains everywhere.
Surrounded by them, aren't we?
Yeah. We're on our way to Milford Sound. We've had a great few days in Queenstown.
It's been good.
Although we've done hardly any recording because all we've done is eat and drink in
Well, it was
pubs,
your
bars.
birthday, so we just kind of celebrated and did nothing.
But now we're on the 5-hour drive to Milford Sound. So this is the closest DOC campsite to Milford Sound, Cascade Creek. I'm just going to go and have a little explore, but there is ice on the ground. It is freezing. It might be a tad cold in the camper van tonight. Today's walk of choice is the Lake Gun Nature Walk.
Well, we haven't walked in a couple of days.
We need to work off some of that beer
Too much beer.
and pizza.
Enormous pizza.
Not a bad view to wake up to in the morning.
It's cold but incredible.
Got about an hour's drive into Milford Sound and then we're off on a cruise. What a drive, eh?
So the route this morning is nothing short of incredible. We're going past all these mountain views. It is absolutely freezing, as you can imagine, but wow. What view? So this is the Milford Highway.
We're going through a tunnel, going through it.
Yeah, I think it's called Homer Tunnel. But this is just amazing.
We're driving through that mountain.
Yeah, it's the Homer Tunnel.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Why? I don't think they wanted to build over these.
Couldn't they have
built
just
through
done a
them.
tunnel from Glenorchy?
Maybe. It's really icy, so we've just followed the grit. That's probably a good way to be. Go on, Rob.
I've got a red slide.
Oh yeah, sorry. Stop here to activate lights. So we're just waiting to go through the Homer Tunnel. There's our van. There's the tunnel. And I can see why they built a tunnel. We're completely surrounded by mountains. So we're in the Homer Tunnel, going through that amazing valley that we just saw before.
We're like inside the mountain.
Robyn's terrified. I feel like Gollum.
And here we go. There's our little boat.
It's only a small one compared to some of them.
Yeah, some of them are huge, aren't they?
Massive, massive.
We're going on a nice little one.
We can get on now, I think.
Yeah. of the best things you've done so far?
Easily.
The scenery alone was amazing.
Yeah, the scenery is just, I mean, it's right over there. It's absolutely amazing.
But the seals and
the dolphins. The dolphins stole the show. They were like
beneath our feet.
Yeah, like swimming along, and then about 4 of them all together. And then right at the end, I think you just caught it at the end of it on video, didn't you?
Yeah.
And one of them, well, they were all jumping out the water.
Flung themselves out completely out the water. It was just
it must have come about 2 metres out of the water. Everything.
Something else, wasn't it?
Absolutely brilliant. I loved it.
One tip, by the way, in normal English, that means wasn't it. Amazing, wasn't it, not want it.
Yeah.
I'm talking in local slang, sorry.
It's okay.
We're in the Lumsden Hotel by the fire.
I'm not moving. I'm sleeping on this cowhide.
We're in the Lumsden Hotel and we're staying opposite on a Freedom campsite.
Free. Totally free, so we thought we'd come and pay our camping fees.
In the pub.